can't press the basement full button. Yes, meow meow.
Basement.
Oh, this is going to be the elevator at the UNC at the Bell Tower parking deck at the UNC's North Carolina campus in Chapel Hill, North Carolina. Dan Tiger, press the second floor button and Ugga Mugga.
Seventh floor. Going down.
Once you press the P1 full button. Really awesome. That's 2,500 pounds, selling 2010.
Fourth floor.
And we're stopping, so it's just gonna right over here.
Going down.
What floor? Oh, he's gonna push it himself.
Have a good day, thank you.
Oh, maybe we'll get someone else. Goodbye.
Have a good day, thank you.
First floor.
Dan Tiger, press the basement full button and set full buttons. Ugga
Going
Mugga.
down.
Yeah. Come, subscribe, more information. Subscribe.